Let's talk about the RioVation BioMaze BM2624 unit as it relates to drainfield rejuvenation. First of all, the BioMaze BM2624 consists of an air pump housing with integrated alarm and a high-blow XP80 pump. Real efficient pump, draws about 65 watts or less. We have 6 of our media pods, 26-inch by 8-inch diameter, and 2 of which have ceramic stone fine air diffusers attached to them. Once this system is installed into a one or multi-compartment new or existing tank, you've converted it now to an aerobic environment. The output is really remarkable. We're having contractors and homeowners both telling us that they see their drain field recover within days or a couple of weeks, not months. So how does it do that? Well, we've determined that we not only have attached growth microorganisms, but we have suspended growth microorganisms. So we have what we call suspended biofilm generation. What is that? Well, these same microbes that are attached to the media on the pods in the tank are also in microscopic format throughout the tank. And they go out as clear, odorless effluent mixed in out to the drain field, where they find the biomat sludge just a buffet. They just consume it. Now, when we're talking about a high quality effluent that's leaving the tank, what are we talking about? Let's look. We have 2 samples here. One sample is tap water and one sample is the effluent that we're producing typically from a BM2624 installed into a residential septic system. The sample on the left is tap water. The sample on the right, this is effluent from a BM2624. You see just a little bit of suspended material in the bottom, very little. That's what we're talking about, the microbes that are going out into the drain field. Otherwise, it's totally clear and odorless effluent. So we have extremely strong results. The beautiful part about it is we do not modify the inlet, the outlet, the tank itself, nor the drain field or soil dispersal unit. However, the effluent's being pushed out away into the environment. So as a result, if the system gets unplugged or taken out, you're left with the exact permitted system that was originally installed. So as a result, regulators really like the product because it helps the environment, it helps the homeowner, it remedies drain field failures without having to excavate the yard. You can find a lot of information and testimonials on our homepage and on our YouTube channel. Check it out.